5 biggest money mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Did you know that 69% of millennials have less than $1,000 in savings? That's surprising, but not entirely unexpected. Hello and welcome to the Money Minded, your go to channel for simple, smart, and actionable money advice. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a topic every 20 something needs to know about: the 5 biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s and how you can avoid them. Let's be honest, it's tempting to live like you earn 6 figures, especially when it's all on credit. Eating out 5 times a week, subscription boxes you forgot to cancel, or that third streaming service you hardly use. These small habits can snowball into big issues. What's the solution? Set a monthly budget. Track what you spend on wants versus needs, and use tools like Mint or YNAB to help. Mistake number 2: not having an emergency fund. Imagine your car breaks down or a sudden medical expense comes up. How do you cover that? Having 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved can be a lifesaver when life throws a curveball at you. Start small, save consistently, and watch your cushion grow over time. Third on the list is ignoring retirement savings. It might seem far away, but starting early has exponential benefits. Thanks to compound interest, even a small amount set aside each month can grow significantly by the time you retire. Take advantage of employer matching if it's available, and set up an IRA or a 401k as soon as possible. Next up, not investing in yourself. Your 20s are a perfect time to build skills and knowledge that pay off later. Whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading books related to your career, those who learn, earn. Lastly, neglecting health insurance. You might think you don't need it now, but accidents and illnesses can happen at any age. Having coverage can protect you from huge bills and ensure you get the care you need without financial stress. Look into the options available through work or explore government plans if you're freelance or unemployed. Remember, financial health is just as important as physical health. I hope this helps you navigate your financial journey in your 20s with more confidence. Be sure to subscribe to The Money Minded for more tips and tricks and make your financial future brighter. Comment below on the money tips you found invaluable in your life. Until next time, stay savvy.